Hi there. Good morning, Hi. What the fuck? Good morning. It's not good morning. It's good evening. So we are heading towards the gym, brother. We haven't took any kind of trades up till now, and so I haven't took any trades up till now. We are heading towards the gym, brother. For whole day, like I was working till almost 1 or 2 o'clock at midnight. Then I slept and I woke up at almost 9 o'clock. I must shorten this time period because I'm not getting, I'm not having the, you know,
नहीं है नहीं कहीं से नहीं
I'm literally not having the productivity. Like the productivity I was having before, I'm not having now. So I have to reschedule it. A lot of like the influences. Yesterday I have come up with the influences idea, and up till now it haven't happened. It must be get implemented. But I was looking into the, I have word calls with the tour packages, tours and whatnot, the real estate of Dubai. I'm continuously connecting and having a loop with the money because now we're gonna have to shift to Dubai. So we're looking to shift to Dubai. That is what we are heading towards. I mean, in the long term. But how would like it's nothing is happened, bro. Nothing is fucking happened. I'm like frustrated right now. I was feeling like to keep the gym, but then I'm like, no, we shouldn't keep the gym. We're gonna have to stick to the plan what we're gonna have to do. Holy shit! So now I'm about to reach to the gym. So let's go inside and yeah, signing off. Holy shit! I think Lord, I thought that it is a dog, but it's a cat. It's a huge fucking cat. Oh my god! Let's go inside. Why she's getting? She's going to attack me? No, fine. I reach. We're connecting the charger, so I'm in the gym. I am thinking to do the tricep. We'll do the tricep. I also need to do the proper planning of this. I'm just focusing on bicep and chest. Most probably just because of this thing actually get visible rather than anything. Does anything is got modified after this? I'm going to put this in the charging mode because my charging is almost about to die, almost 10% because lights can just come now. So let's do this. Let's do the gym. Let's form the tricep, and once tricep, we'll start using the application, proper application for a gym. Let's do it. Hey brother, so yes, ये अटक रहा है. I know this. Hold on. अब अभी भी अटक रहा है, नहीं अटक रहा है. So this thing actually works, you know. This strategy of getting a good that first start with so heavier. Then once you are almost done with that, then go for reduce the weight. Continue until it pains. Reduce the weight. Continue until it pains. Reduce. And there will be a point like you are that part of body will get so much affected from the workout. It will start growing. Now this is what I have done today with the tricep. It's spinning like anything, and I have also like while doing the gym, like while doing a tricep, I literally come up with the best possible. You know, my posture is getting. My literally body posture is getting so good. I mean, I was like this, but now I'm like this. It is having the upward train now. It is going up. Beautiful thing which is happening, and I think so. Today we'll just do the tricep because now we are going to do the rope as well. Once tomorrow we'll do the shoulder. Yes. So these two things we are going to do. Tricep. I was thinking to do this tricep and shoulder today, but I don't think so I can do it because see the time as well. Energy gone down. Just doing it doesn't matter. Beautiful challenge I'm going on. It is going to do it. So stay tuned. My head is spinning like anything. Signing off. Yeah, tricep is done. 90, almost 100% is done. Now let's do the rope. The rope is awesome. The rope thing is awesome. Let's do this because it actually works on every single part of the body, as per my experience. Let's do it, and then we are good to go home. Hi there. So yes, corporate is going to come for sure, but I've done, brother. Look at my wings, fuck. How is it? It's not even coming. Hold on. Let me just. Oh my god. Look at that. आएगा तुम्हारे पास ऐसा? We're gonna have this, just waiting and sleeping in a home or watching this video while eating something. You should be in a gym, man. You are a man, man. You have to be like a man. Okay? I'm not saying because I'm doing gym. You should wake up, go to gym. If you're not doing this, what the fuck you're doing in the life? Stay tuned. Let's go home. Right now the time is 7 o'clock. Let's go.